All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to All English Podcast. I'm so happy you're here with us today. Today, we have an amazing topic, a topic that every English learner needs, a topic you use every single day, no matter where you live. Today, we're talking about the weather and all the beautiful, funny, strange, and useful expressions that come with it. By the end of this episode, you will sound natural, confident, and fluent when talking about weather in English.
I'm excited for this. Because honestly, I always say only one thing. I always say it's good or it's bad. I want to learn more.
Perfect! Then let's begin. Why is weather so important in English? Because weather is not just temperature. It's a social tool. It's small talk. It's part of the culture. In English-speaking countries, people often use weather to start a conversation, to be polite, or simply to break the silence. For example, when you meet someone in an elevator, you might say, "Nice weather today," or "It's freezing outside." When you meet a friend, you might say, "Can you believe this rain?" or "This heat is crazy."
Exactly. Even when we don't know what to say, we talk about the weather.
That's why, in today's episode, we're going to learn everything you need. Vocabulary, expressions, useful questions, a bit of grammar, and real-life conversation examples. So let's start with the basics. Some of the most common weather words are sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, cold, warm, hot, cool, stormy, foggy, humid, dry, freezing, and icy.
Let me put some of these into sentences. Today is sunny. It's very windy. It feels humid. The weather is freezing. And the sky is cloudy.
Right? Now let's talk about some stronger and more advanced weather words. For example, instead of saying very hot, you can say, "It's boiling," "It's scorching," "It's burning outside." And instead of very cold, you can say, "It's freezing," "It's icy," "It's bitterly cold." For heavy rain, instead of very rainy, you can say, "It's pouring," "It's raining heavily." For light rain, you can say, "It's drizzling." And for windy weather, you can use phrases like, "There is a strong breeze," "It's extremely windy," "There are strong winds."
I love the word pouring. It sounds so dramatic. Last week it was pouring and I forgot my umbrella. I looked like a wet cat.
Exactly the image. Perfect. Now let's look at some natural ways to ask about the weather. You can ask things like, "How's the weather?" "What's the weather like?" "Is it cold there?" "Is it raining?" "Is it hot outside?" "What's the temperature?" "Is it windy today?"
Like, how's the weather in Canada today? And you might answer, "It's freezing."
Exactly. Now let's practice talking about weather naturally. You can say things like, "It looks like rain." "It feels like summer." "The sky is getting dark." "The sun is shining." "The wind is picking up." "The temperature is dropping." "The weather is changing fast."
Let me try. The clouds are moving. It looks like a storm is coming. It feels colder than yesterday.
Perfect. We also often connect weather to our mood. For example, rainy days make me sleepy. Sunny days give me energy. Cold weather makes me want hot chocolate. Snow makes everything beautiful.
Hot weather makes me lazy. Like, I don't want to move.
Same. Totally understandable. Now, let's have some fun with idioms about weather. Number 1, it's raining cats and dogs, meaning it's raining very heavily. Number 2, under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Number 3, on cloud 9, meaning very happy. Number 4, a storm is coming, meaning a problem or conflict is coming. Number 5, break the ice, meaning start a conversation.
Let me try some. Yesterday it was raining cats and dogs. Today I'm under the weather. When I passed the exam, I was on cloud 9.
Amazing! Let's practice weather in different seasons. In spring, it's warm, breezy, and rainy. Flowers are blooming. In summer, it's hot, sunny, and humid. The days are longer. In fall, it's cool. The leaves are falling, it's windy, and the air feels fresh. In winter, it's freezing, snowy, and icy. The nights are longer.
My favorite is fall. It feels peaceful.
Mine too. Weather can also be very different around the world. Canada is cold and snowy in winter. The Middle East is hot and dry in summer. London is often cloudy and rainy. Japan has humid summers. Brazil has tropical weather. Australia gets very hot.
Let me try. Where I live, it gets really cold, especially in January.
Perfect. Now let's take a short break with a fun story. Imagine a scientist who creates a weather machine. If you press the sun button, the whole city becomes bright like summer. Press the snow button and everything becomes white. Press the rain button and people run away. And if you press all buttons together, the city becomes total chaos, sunny, snowy, rainy, windy, foggy, all at once.
That would be crazy. Imagine eating ice cream in a snowstorm.
Here are some useful sentences for daily life. It's getting colder. It's getting warmer. The weather changed so fast. I didn't expect rain today. It's a perfect day for a walk. It's too hot to go outside. It's a beautiful morning. The weather is terrible today. English learners often make some common mistakes. For example, saying I'm cold for the weather. Instead, say it is cold or I feel cold. Another mistake is saying today weather is good. Correct. The weather today is good. Also, don't confuse climate and weather. Climate is a long-term pattern. Weather is what's happening now. Let's do some interactive practice. I'll say a type of weather, and you try a sentence. Rainy, hot, windy, snowy, foggy, sunny.
Okay, let's give some ideas. If it's rainy, you can say, I need my umbrella. If it's sunny, let's go outside.
Now for some advanced expressions. There is a chance of rain. There is a slight breeze. The temperature will rise tomorrow. We expect heavy snow tonight. It might clear up later. The storm will pass soon. Thank you for staying with us today. You learned everything you need to talk about weather like a native speaker. Vocabulary, idioms, expressions, stories, and practice. Keep practicing and you will feel natural and confident.
And remember, no matter the weather, your English can always improve.
See you in the next episode.